Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos, friends, I will share you patchwork handbags ideas. So viewers, let's start. Today's video. Friends, I will show a beautiful patchwork handbag. This bag is easy to make and look very colorful. First, take different fabric pieces. You can use all cloth or leftover fabric. Cut the fabric into small square or rectangle. Now arrange the piece. Now arrange the piece in a nice design. Mix color and print to make it look pretty. Next, stitch all pieces together slowly. Make one big fabric sheet. This is our patchwork design. Now cut the shape of the bag. Take another plain fabric for the inside. Place both fabric together and stitch the sides and friends, after that, make two strong handles. Attach the handle on the top of the bag. You can also add zipper button. This will make your bag more useful. And friends, and here